Morning guys, it is currently Sunday and I have a Sunday off for once, so I figured I would just kind of vlog my day with you guys on just like a chill Sunday. We have to do a couple of house things, we have to build some things, so yeah, I just want to take you guys along with me if you guys want to hang out with me for this Sunday fun day. Not really, but yeah, then definitely please keep watching. I do vlogs on this channel, I do beauty videos, I do fashion videos, I do a little bit of everything. So if that's something that you like, then definitely consider subscribing. And let's jump into today's vlog. All right, so we actually already got our morning started. We had our coffee. We watched a church service online, which I was so excited about because we found a church here in Connecticut. We just haven't gone to it yet just because with COVID and everything, they like limited capacity and all that. But Alex watched a service online. He really liked it. And then this was my first service that I saw from them online. And I really enjoyed it. It was such a good service. What was the service about?
About waiting and being prepared for Jesus' return.
Yeah, I thought it was so cool. The pastor is very good at communicating things for believers already, but it was also super welcoming for new believers without being watered down. Like I felt like the message was very to the point, but just spoken in a very loving way. And I also feel like not enough churches, or at least messages and stuff that I have heard, talk about the return of Jesus. And I feel like the times that we're in right now, it's kind of like obvious, you know, the times that we're in. And you know, some people don't know about Jesus's return. So I just thought it was really cool how he spoke about it. And yeah, it was basically just about, you know, what are we doing now while we're waiting for Jesus to return? Are we just sitting here and doing nothing? Are we actively serving others and treating others good? Alex is building this bunk bed. We got it from Amazon. It's really cool because it has like a full bed on the bottom and then a twin bed at the top. So I'm gonna help him with that in a second. I wanted to show you guys some little updates though. Guys, we started our renovations and there is dust all over my house. The floors, I don't know if you can tell on camera, we literally swept and mopped these like 6 times and it's still like you can see the dust there. But this is what our house is looking right now. A lot different from my previous vlogs. The wall to our kitchen is completely down. So they cut this open. They patched up a wall here to make our old dining room a bedroom. What else have they done? Our fridge. But yeah, basically there's just dust everywhere, and yeah, the process is very interesting. Also yesterday I blacked out at Walmart. They had some of the cutest Christmas decorations and ornaments. So I got literally like 3 bags worth of stuff. And then I also got some stuff from Target a few days ago. I cannot wait to put this up. So I did my makeup to film a video, and of course my main camera is dead and my vlog camera died on me in the middle of the video. Alex is still building the bunk bed. So we're gonna make him some eggs because he doesn't want my help anymore, but I figured I wouldn't just wait around, and he's hungry and he's been such a good husband. So we're gonna cook in my kitchen that has a missing part of the ceiling. That's fine though. Oh, I forgot to also show you guys, we got Alex's friend Steve, God bless him. He installed wiring for lights, MC Electrical. So if you guys need good electrical work, definitely, and you're in the CT area, definitely contact MC Electrical. But yeah, so that's the company he works for, but he came in and did this for us, and he also installed the lights in our living room. So I just finished filming my little Christmas haul video, so stay tuned for that. I literally just propped myself on the floor here and made a little cute Christmas backdrop. So stay tuned for that video. God, he was waiting for me to finish filming. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. He's so cute. He needs a bath. Maybe I should do. The bunk beds are finally up. Now we finally won't have, we had like poles underneath of our bed the whole time from this. Alex, bless his heart and soul, the greatest husband in the whole universe. That's you. Put it together. It looks so good. Lacey and Jared. I hope you like it. It's really comfy actually. Now Alex is gonna get ready. I'm gonna clean up here, take our trash out, take Choka out, and we'll be good to go for the day. All right, so right now we're about to head out to this place called Scratch and Dent to hopefully find some furniture pieces for like Alex's man cave, the basement and things like that, they have like really good furniture and appliances that they sell at a discounted price for like if they have a scratch or like a really small dent, it'll mark down the price a bunch from like retail value. So we're gonna check that place out. I got my chicken going in the crock pot. So basically I just put some chicken thighs in there with some buffalo hot sauce and a little bit of ranch, some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. When I come back, I'm gonna shred it. This is a hot sauce that I use, but I put it in there at 12. I'm gonna let it cook on low for about 4 to 5 hours. And then when we come back, I'm gonna shred it and let it cook for a couple of more hours. And then we'll have some buffalo chicken and we can have it with like salad or whatever. But you guys, I'm not kidding you when I tell you, crock pots have definitely been the move lately. Like they save you so much time. You just throw stuff in a pot, throw some seasonings in there, let it slow cook while you're out working or while you're busy like cleaning up the house. And a couple hours later you come back and you have like dinner ready to go. So that's definitely been a game. The scratch and dent place, well, it's like a Sears outlet. We saw a couple couches that we liked. I never vlog in places. But anyways, Alex found a couple couches that he would like for his sneaker room. So we'll keep those in mind. But right now we wanted to look at another place called Bob's Discount Furniture because we're here for all the deals. Alex and I are bargain shoppers, true bargain shoppers. So yeah, we're gonna go there, see, compare the prices. And yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Hopefully I can remember to What do you like so far?
What?
What do you like so far?
This one here for $2.99.
But that would be cute for the basement. It looks comfy. It's a good sit. You guys, we just bought a couch. Or we're about to get one. So this one's only $2.99. The other one that he liked was $3.50. But this one's bigger. I feel like it feels more comfy too. Yeah. Alright, we're getting a couch, I guess. Ashley's home store, like the outlet. We got a couch for so cheap, it's not even funny, and it's so comfy too. You guys saw it, I think, in the clip that I filmed. But basically we got the couch for the wrong price. I guess the lady that makes the ticket numbers there, basically they're supposed to have a margin of 47, they had a margin of 24, whatever that means. We got the couch for so cheap, and
we got the couch for more than half off.
Yeah, more than half off. Very excited about that.
There's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong with it. It was very comfy. It's very like slouchy and very like guy-esque, but it's perfect because it'll be for Alex's sneaker room. That was like the last place that we decided to stop at, and thankfully we did because we ended up finding the best couch option for the best price there. See what else we got to do around the house, probably mop again. So my buffalo chicken, we kind of had a mix up. I forgot to put the pot that goes in the crock pot beforehand because it was in the dishwasher. So yeah, I forgot to do that and it left a mess everywhere. So I'm gonna let this cook. I just shredded it up. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit longer and then we'll probably have buffalo chicken wraps. In the meantime, since Alex is hungry, I figured I would make this cauliflower veggie pizza. This is seriously the best cauliflower pizza ever for like a pre-dinner snack, since it's 3:30 and we probably won't even have dinner till around 8. So I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot about the pizza, but it's fine. It'll be extra crispy, just how Alex likes it. You guys, this pizza is so good. You know what else cauliflower pizza is really good? The California Pizza Kitchen cauliflower pizza is also alright, guys. So this is the part of the house that is like completely crazy right now. We haven't really organized everything because we've just been waiting for everything upstairs to work out. So right now he has really no place to put any of this. We have like a TV that we still need to mount, but we're waiting to put that up once the renovation is done upstairs. So this is literally so chaotic. It kind of stresses me out sometimes. And then our garage right now has like all of our home decor from our apartment that we haven't put up in the house because, again, all the renovations, there's no point in putting out all of this decor in all the rooms when there's like literally dust everywhere. It would just be a headache. I'm kind of scared to show you guys our garage because we've been in and out of these boxes a ton. Right now we use this space for things like this. So Alex is actually staining some wood shelves that we got from Home Depot. They came just like this. So, oops, they came just like this, just like these really long basic wood planks. So he's staining them this color. They look so good. And then he got these really cool like pipe looking shelves from Amazon. And then that's gonna go up. I know you guys can't see the vision yet, but that will go up. We'll have shelves here in this room to put all of his sneakers, and shelves here We're gonna spray paint the ceiling of the basement black. And then I want to do something with this. He says he doesn't mind it, but this drives me crazy. So I want to do something to kind of like cover up all of this. But this little back corner, I want to make it feel like a room and not so basement-y. And then that way it can be a place where you can chill and hang out. We're going to mount a TV on, I think, this wall. Last Sunday we went to Home Depot to get like the shelving and stuff. And then this Sunday we looked at couches and purchased a couch because I kind of felt bad like to continue to put this on the back burner. Like he literally, this is like the thing he was most excited for about having a home, and it looks like this right now. So I'm hoping that we can start getting everything together soon. I'm gonna help him stain his shelves, and yeah, once the renovations are done, it'll be super easy to finally start like organizing all this chaos. Still boxes everywhere, but once he has his shelves, I think it'll be a lot better and less chaotic. All right guys, so we just finished having dinner. We ended up not even eating the buffalo chicken wraps. We ended up just getting sushi.
We had one.
Oh yeah, we had one buffalo. It was actually pretty good. But yeah, I'm about to shower right now and head to bed because I have work early tomorrow morning. So I figured I would end my vlog for once. Alex is just chilling, watching football for what feels like eternity. Just kidding. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us today. We had so much fun having a Sunday chill fun day with you guys, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to the vlog?
Go Pats.
You couldn't even say subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, nothing.
You
just go Pats. Just go Pats.
Do that already?
Just go Pats. Just kidding. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I look crazy.